from Singer's Advice. So how much practice does it really take to become a really great singer? For the best tips and advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. And don't forget to sign up for your 3 fantastic vocal warm-ups that are going to help you transform the way you sing. So how much practice does it really take to become a great singer? Is it 5 hours a day? 1 hour a day? What is the answer? Well, it really does depend. When I was younger, I used to spend hours and hours just in my room, singing in front of the mirror, putting on tunes. And that really is a good way to start your training. But if you're starting later in life, how many hours do you need to put in to really get better at singing? For me, I really would suggest that it's not so much about the amount of time you put in, it's about the quality of the time and the quality of what it is that you are practicing. So if you're just spending hours just doing any old thing, that's probably great, but you'd probably get a lot more out of it if you really planned what it is that you want to get better at and that you need to practice. A great way is to plan a vocal regime, which is going to help you to get where you want to be. So for example, you want to get better at pitching, then you need to spend the time on really getting your oral awareness and that pitch matching really, really good. You want to get better at a certain type of technique. For example, if you want to get better at singing belts, then spend a little time on specific exercises that are going to build your endurance and build those muscles that are going to help you to be able to belt even better. If it's timing, spend the time on really getting into the rhythm of the song. And a great way to get better at timing as a singer is to dance along to the music. So just get your groove on and get dancing to that music. We're all busy people, so I would say maybe 1 to 2 hours a week is a great way to start to get into a really good vocal practice. Spend your time on different things. Make sure you warm up. Make sure you work on a bit of technique. Then move on to your repertoire or working on specific things in your voice that you want to work on, like vocal registers or vocal onsets or specific genre exercises. If you want to sing more pop, then you could be working on your runs and your ad-libs. If you're working on jazz, you might want to start working on a bit of scatting just to kind of broaden things in that way. If you're working on musical theatre, you might want to do some exercises on your diction and your acting through song. So my tip is be specific. You don't have to spend hours and hours and hours a day practicing, so don't stress out. If you're thinking, I don't have this time, it doesn't matter. Use the time you've got, but be really, really specific about what it is that you're going to practice. Practicing is really key and it is the only way that you're going to get better at what you do, but sometimes people can over practice, and when you over practice and you might just be doing the same thing over and over and over and over again, it's not really that productive. So yes, my biggest tip is to be really specific. Make a plan, decide what it is that you want to improve on that day or that week, and really work on those things. And if you want any help in knowing what you need to work on, then maybe you should check out some of my courses and programs with the link below this video. And don't forget, you can grab 3 exercises that are going to help you with your practice and help you move forwards with your development as a singer. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again soon at Singer's Advice.